Today, I'm going to show you how to apply a discount to purchase invoices on Xero. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to offer clients special pricing or promotional deals directly within your invoicing system. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Look for the Login button and click on it to access the sign-in page. On the login screen, you'll see two fields where you need to enter your information. Type your email address in the first field and your password in the second field. After filling in both fields, click the Sign In button to access your Xero dashboard. This will take you to the main workspace where you can manage all your financial operations. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, locate the Sales option in the main navigation menu. Click on Sales and a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your sales activities. This menu contains all the tools you need to manage invoices, quotes, and other sales-related documents. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page where you can view all your existing invoices and create new ones. The Invoices page is your central hub for managing all billing documents. On the Invoices page, look for the New Invoice button and click on it. This action will open a fresh invoice form where you can start building your discounted invoice from scratch. Now you'll need to fill in the basic invoice details. Start by entering the contact name in the contact field. This is where you select the client or customer who will receive this invoice. Next, fill in the issue date, which is typically today's date, and the due date, which indicates when payment should be received. You can also add a reference number if needed for your internal tracking purposes. Here comes the important part. In the item list section, you'll add the details of what you're invoicing for. Enter the item name, add a description to clarify what the item is, specify the quantity, and input the unit price. Now this is where you can add the discount for this transaction. You'll see a discount field where you can enter a numerical value and use the percentage symbol to apply a percentage discount. This is the key feature that allows you to reduce the invoice total. After entering the discount, select the accounts associated with this transaction and choose the appropriate tax rate. Before finalizing, review your invoice carefully. Check that the contact information is correct, the dates are accurate, the items are properly listed, and most importantly, that the discount has been applied correctly and the final amount reflects your intended pricing. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct and the discount appears as expected, click on Approve and Email. This will finalize the invoice and send it directly to your client with the discount already applied. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.